Reflections Premier Watercolor Postcards come in a set of 24 4 by 6 inch, 140-pound watercolor paper. Each sheet is lightly lined on the back so that you can include a message and your address. And the front is a cold press watercolor that you can use with a variety of mediums. I have some examples. You can use it with pencil, charcoal, or even pen and ink. You can also use it with acrylic gouache, like Turner acrylic gouache, or even a soft-bodied acrylic. This one here is with Lucas Krill. You can also buy it with a pack of the Krystal Seal Bags. And I like to travel, and when I travel, I like to send postcards. So instead of just picking something up at a souvenir shop, you can paint what you see and then send it to your friends and your family. And to do that, you'll simply just put the postcard in the Krystal Seal bag to protect it. Seal it. And then put your stamp on the bag and not on the postcard. And you will be able to send that out in the mail. And then my favorite aspect about the tins that it comes in is that, of course, you can use it to keep the postcards while they're not used yet, but then you can put finished artwork in here, or you can even fill it with art supplies like watercolor pans or watercolor tubes or erasers, charcoal, things like that. So the Reflections watercolor postcards are a nice little handy addition to your studio and your travel needs. The Reflections watercolor tin is the perfect item for wherever your adventures take you.